Welcome back to Bloom's Room. Today we're going to be doing a, drum roll please, a nighttime routine. This is the first time I did a nighttime routine, but I did it at my dad's, so go check that one out. Well, I haven't really made a video with it yet, but I did a lot. So make sure you stick to the end to see what I do. Gymnastics, books, arts. Welcome to Bloom's Room. Bloom's Room. First step, we have to wash our hair with conditioner, shampoo, and wash our body all off. Rinse it, and make sure you are all dried off. Next up is washing your face and brushing your teeth. Okay, so we're gonna grab this, and if you don't have this, just get a type of this. So then you're going to press down, and you're gonna get that much. You don't need as much. Then you're gonna get it wet, I think. Get it wet. And then you're gonna rub it together. Make sure your hands look like that. Then you're gonna rub it on your face. Once you're all done with that, you're gonna rinse it off. Grab a towel. Then you're going to get it wet, and you're gonna wash all the soap off. Once you've done that, you are going to, you're gonna grab your lotion, which is this. But if you don't have this kind, if you have a little jar or anything else of a lotion, you could grab that, and it doesn't have to be the same type. It just has to be on your face, and it also has to be the same, like the same lotion or for your face. You're gonna open it up, and you're gonna get this much, that much. Okay. Once we've done that, we're going to rub it all together, and your hands should look like that. Then we're gonna rub it back on our face. And some of you think that I have like a lot of stuff to do in this face wash. I really don't. I just have a little steps of it. And if you're wondering where I am, I'm actually at my mom's house, not at my dad's house. You can see I'm in a bigger bathroom. And yeah. Okay, the second step is make sure your mom puts really soft detangler in your hair. And brush all the tangles out of your hair before you do your face wash. And make sure your hair is nice and straight. And also, if you have one of these, I would prefer to wear it. So the face wash stuff doesn't get in your hair. No. Yep. The last step of this nighttime routine is to put on your pajamas, nice and comfy pajamas, and then I'll show you what's next. Now I'm all comfy in my bed. It's time to read my nighttime story. My story is called The Haunted Library. What are you reading? Good night, everybody.